The traditional furniture supply chain. High costs, complex logistics, limited stock. Your profit margin is being squeezed by these inefficiencies. Meet the solution. Compression technology. One standard box, one complete piece of furniture. Drastically reduce logistics complexity and redefine your storage space. A diverse product line for every customer. A new delivery experience. Your customers receive a sofa as easily as a package, eliminating the hassle of big item logistics and boosting satisfaction. 40+ sizes and even more stylish colors mean greater customer appeal and sales flexibility. PopupSofa, empowering your business, optimizing your supply chain. Contact us now for exclusive distributor partnership details.